Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Math School. Today we will discuss IIT JEE Advanced 2024 Paper 1 Section 1 Question number 4. So let's read the question number 4 first. Consider the ellipse x square by 9 plus y square by 4 equals to 1. Then let P, Q, the point is be in the first quadrant such that p square by 9 plus q square by 4 is greater than 1, and two tangents are drawn from S to the ellipse, of which one meets the ellipse at end one endpoint of the minor axis and the other meets the ellipse at a point T in the fourth quadrant. Let R be the vertex of the ellipse with positive x coordinate and O be the center of the ellipse. If area of the triangle ORT is 3/2, then which of the following option is correct? It is an MCQ type question, so one answer will be correct. Now it is obvious that the question is from coordinate geometry, and specifically it is from conic section ellipse. So to solve this question, first recall something. If x1 square by a square plus y1 square by b square is greater than 1, like here p square by 9 plus q square by 4 is greater than 1, that implies that x1 comma y1, that is here the S point, p comma q lies outside the ellipse. To draw the picture we need to know that. Then we need to draw two tangents. So equation of tangent to ellipse, x square by a square plus y square by b square equals to 1 at x1 y1 is x1 by a square plus y by 1 by b square equals to 1. But how to remember that, how to write the tangent equation? So let's recall the tips to write an equation of tangent to a conic section at x1 y1. Replace x square by x1 if you are trying to write the tangent at x1 y1 point. Then replace y square by y1. Replace 2xy if present in the equation. Then replace 2xy by xy1 plus x1y. Replace 2x by x plus x1. Replace 2y by y plus y1, and if there is any constant then no change. So apply these tips. Here you can check that x square is replaced by x1 and y square is replaced by y1, and constant are as it is. And in the question, area of triangle is mentioned. So formula for area of triangle is just basic half into base into height. But in coordinate geometry we have read that if three vertices are known, x1 y1 and x2 y2 and x3 y3 are three vertices, then area is half into mod, that means the positive value of the determinant, x1 y1 1, x2 y2, this one. Now let's draw the ellipse. Here I have drawn the ellipse. Do it first. Now let's take the point S. S is outside the ellipse, so let's take the S here because it is in the first quadrant. So S, P, Q should be here in the first quadrant and outside the ellipse. Now we have to draw two tangents. One tangent meets the ellipse at the end point of the minor axis and other in the fourth quadrant. So end point of the minor axis means this one. Let's say this is B, and the equation of the ellipse is x square by 9 plus y square by 4 equals to 1. This is the mentioned ellipse and this implies that the length of the semi-major axis is a equals to 3 and the length of the minor axis, semi-minor axis is 2. So a equals to 3 and b equals to 2. So this is nothing but 0, 2. and the vertex A is 3, 0, but the name of the vertex is given here. Let R be the vertex, so we should name it as R, and the center O, it is clearly origin. This length is 3 and this length is 2. Now two tangents we have to draw. Okay, so we have drawn the two tangents, one at the end point of the minor axis and other meets the ellipse at the point T. So let name this point as T, and it is in the fourth quadrant. So let the coordinate be alpha comma beta, and it is clear that alpha will be positive and beta will be negative. Now it is mentioned that the area of the triangle ORT, that means ORT. So we have to draw here this triangle. So the height will be this one, and the base will be the length OR, that means 3. Okay. Now equation of tangent at the end point of the minor axis, that means B 0, 2 is nothing but x1, that means x into 0 by a square, that means 9, plus y1, that means y into 2 by 4 is equals to 1, which implies that 0 plus y by 2 is equals to 1, which implies that y equals to 2. So the equation of this tangent is y is equals to 2, and this tangent y equals to 2 passes through S P comma Q. This implies Q equals to 2. So we got the value of Q as 2. Now the area of the triangle. From the picture, it is clearly visible that height of this triangle is nothing but the y coordinate of T. So, and base is 3. So it is given that area of the triangle ORT is equals to 3 by 2, which implies that half into base. Base means OR into height. Height means if I mention here a name Q, then QT is equals to 3 by 2. This implies half into 3 into beta is equals to 3 by 2. But obviously the mod value, because I have mentioned that area will be always positive. So this implies that half into 3 into mod beta is equals to 3 by 2. So this implies beta is equals to plus minus 1, but this implies beta is equals to only minus 1, because we know that the value of beta will be negative because the T point lies in the fourth quadrant. Now this T alpha comma beta lies in the lies on the ellipse. This implies that alpha square by 9 plus beta square by 4 is equals to 1, which implies that alpha square by 9 plus 1 by 4 is equals to 1. This implies alpha square by 9 is equals to nothing but 3 by 4. 1 minus 1 by 4, that means 3 by 4. So alpha square equals to 3 into 9 by 4, which implies alpha equals to, since t lies in fourth quadrant, so alpha will be positive. So positive 3 root 3 by 2. Now, the second tangent at alpha comma beta, equation of the tangent at t 3 root 3 by 2 comma beta was minus 1 is x x1 by a square plus y y1 by b square is equals to 1, and this equation satisfies is satisfied by p comma q, because the tangent drawn from S, which implies that p into 3 root 3 by 9 into 2 plus q into minus 1 by 4 is equals to 1. This implies p root 3 by 3 into 2 minus value of q is 2 by 4 is equals to 1. This implies p by 2 root 3 equals to 1 plus half. This implies p equals to 3 by 2 into 2 root 3. This implies p equals to 3 root 3. So the value of p is 3 root 3. So which option is correct? Value of q is 2. That means here, and value of p is 3 root 3. So option A is correct. So let's recall it again. The point p comma q satisfies the inequality, means the point p comma q lies outside the ellipse, and the equation of the tangent at any point x1 y1 is x1 by a square plus y1 by b square equals to 1. We have used this one, and even I have given tips for any conic section, and we have used the area of the triangle of the first form. You can use the second form also. You will get the same value, because it will be nothing but 0 0 1, the origin, and then the point R, that means 3 0 1, and the point T, that means alpha beta 1, and you will get the same value. Thanks for watching the video. In the next video we will solve MSQ type question, section 2, question number 1. Till then, stay tuned. If you find the video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Have a great day ahead.